Bob at the center helped me to get food stamps, and he wrote out something for me, and I got food stamps on it. So I'm able to pay the rent here, and so as long as I got food stamps, I'm okay.
And you're able to pay the rent?
I'm able to pay the rent because my social security, pays, and then I got a little bit of money left over to pay a couple of other bills, and I can manage. People there are wonderful, and they always answer your questions, and if they can help you, they will help you. They give you food if you need it, and they'll help you with a few bills if you need it, and they're very, very nice. I do. If I need something, well, I'm free to talk to you.
There you go.
Oh, I like the center of concern.
So do you have any concerns now that you need to address?
No, that's okay because my light bill is taken care of.